Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write study notes effectively. Start by actively listening or reading, then summarize information in your own words. This active engagement significantly boosts understanding and recall. Aim to capture the main ideas, not every single detail. A well-structured note-taking approach can save you hours of study time later on. Remember, your notes are a tool for learning, not just a record. Explore various note-taking methods to find what suits your learning style best. The Cornell method, for instance, uses a specific layout to encourage active recall and summarization. Mind mapping is excellent for visual learners, helping to connect complex ideas. For a more traditional approach, linear notes with clear headings and bullet points provide a structured overview. Experiment with these to discover your most effective strategy. To truly maximize your notes, go beyond just writing text. Integrate visual elements like simple diagrams or flowcharts to illustrate relationships. Employ a consistent system of abbreviations and symbols. For example, use an asterisk for important points or a question mark for areas needing clarification. Highlighting key terms or concepts in a distinct color can draw your eye to essential information during review, making study sessions more efficient. The true power of effective notes lies in their review and application. Don't just write them and forget them. Review your notes shortly after creating them, perhaps within 24 hours, and then schedule regular weekly reviews. Use your notes as flashcards, covering sections and testing your recall. Before exams, try to condense your extensive notes into 1 or 2 pages of key concepts, reinforcing your understanding and preparing you thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.